Hello, if you are wondering what charger should you use for Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, then the answer can be found at the back of the box of this device. Over here, of course, we have the graphic information that the charger itself is not included. However, on the right side, we can read the recommendations for the charger. And in this case, it is recommended to use a charger that has something between 10 and 25 watts. And of course, if you don't have a charger for this device, for instance, you just bought this one and you sold your old one and you don't have any charger at all, then ideally you want to use a Samsung charger. So ideally you want to purchase from their website, as their chargers are usually the most compatible ones with Samsung devices. And of course, ideally you want to match the amount of power that the charger should have. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!